Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. Find the value of 1 power 4 plus 2007 whole to the power of 4 plus 2008 whole to the power of 4 by 1 square plus 2007 whole square plus 2008 whole square. You have to find the value of this. So here, those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical critical tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very very important. So here, first of all, here we are taking the value a power a equal to 1, b is equal to 2007, and a plus b is equal to 2008. A plus b, 1 plus 2007 is 2008. Now it will change as a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a plus b whole to the power of 4 by here a square plus b square plus a plus b whole square. So here a plus b whole square. So here if you expand a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus a plus b whole power 4 follow. A power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b power 4 by what will get? So here a square plus b square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here you will get a power 4 2 times, b power 4 2 times. So you can write 2 into a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus here you can take common. In this 2 you can take common plus 2ab common. Okay, 4ab common. 4ab of a square plus b square. 4ab of a square plus b square plus 6 a square b square by denominator what you are having. So 2 of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, so here a power 4 b to the power of 4 plus 2ab of a square plus b square plus 3a square b square by taking 2 common here, a square plus b square plus ab. So 2 to get cancel. So here you can write it as a square plus b square whole square. So here what will get? A square plus b square plus here we will get 2a square b square will take from this. We will get a square plus b square whole square plus 2ab of a square plus b square plus here already 2a square b square is going to side. So here a square b square by a square plus b square plus ab. Now it is a formula a square plus 2ab of a plus b square. So you can write it as a square plus b square plus ab whole square by a square plus b square plus ab. So this power and 2 will get cancelled. So here what is left? A square plus B square plus AB. So here what will get now? 2007 A square 2007 B square value, A square value 1 square plus AB value 2007 into 1. So here what will get 2007 means 40,280,49 plus 2008 2007 plus 1 2008. So total what will get is 40,300,57. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.